What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, today we got the photographer videographer appreciation meet that I put together with a bunch of other local photographers and videographers just to get everybody's name out there more. When I started, I didn't really get people putting me on flyers or anything, you know. I pretty much did it all by myself. But since I do have somewhat of exposure, I want to expose some of the smaller guys around my area. So here's a little meet for you guys. We're gonna be taking the Denali and the giveaway truck, so let's go, guys. Well, today only at the meet and online, it's double entries for any merch you get, and also when this video posts. So if you're watching this on the first 24 hours that this video is posted, you get double entries. So go ahead, get your double entries right now. Take advantage of the opportunity. But I'm tired. I just rushed everything, got everything ready, got all the shirts packaged. That's why my racks are over here kind of empty. And got all the tables ready, chairs, the cooler, some waters. Took a shower and then got ready. Wearing pink because it's October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Just want to support anybody that's fighting breast cancer right now. So we have somebody in our family, so we want to give as much support as we can, like any other family member would do. So, but let's go, guys. We got La Chulada Denali over there, and then La Giveaway. La que no es mía, pero es mía. Pero no es mía, pero sí es mía. Las dos van a necesitar gas, so vamos a echarle gas primero y luego vámonos. Right. Hell yeah. Stormtrooper 6-0. Sick ass banner, look at that. Hell yeah.
Miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron con el viento cuando te perdí. Aún siguen razones por cual puedo discutir, pero no me importa, te quiero junto a mí. Hoy no quiero que me digas que estás confundida. Quiero una respuesta directa del corazón. Ya ha pasado tiempo, yo ya no lo soporto. No me importa lo que digas, voy a luchar por ti, mija. He tratado de sanar heridas con alcohol, pero no funcionan, solo quiero tus besos. Solo quiero tus besos. CP Music, pura baja alianza, you already know the deal. Todas las noches solo estoy pensando en ti, esos recuerdos que solo me hacen sufrir. Algo inigualable, algo en especial, ahora solo quedan puras memorias. Hoy no quiero
so a few days ago I asked Modelo Mix if I could bring my own cup for a michelada. He said yeah, so I'll bring this one. Next time it's gonna be a bigger one.
No me importa lo que digas, voy a luchar por ti, mija. He tratado de sanar heridas con alcohol, pero no funcionan, solo quiero tus besos.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Damn, guys, it's packed out here. All right, let's check it out. Modelo Mix. Oh yeah.
5, 10.
Gordito films. Alright guys, wait a minute. Yes, I got a haircut. So, I got a ring light, guys. Probably do some ASMR for you guys. What should we do? White? Bluish? Yellow? Let's do white. Alright, so today's meet, it was a great meet overall. Had a lot of support from a bunch of people. So pretty much the meet was to get, like I said, get all the local guys together that do videography, photography, get some more exposure to everybody. You know, just have a cool, chill truck meet, especially around these times, because everything is hot. Like with RSO going around and everything, Riverside is hot, San Bernardino just got hot. So this is the first time I've ever seen any meet at this park, and it is a great location. Great location. Cops did not come till like 2.5 hours till after. Well, they didn't. I didn't even see them pull up at all because I left once everybody started burning out. So we want to keep doing meets at this spot, which is why we wanted everybody not to do any burnouts and everything. I know it wasn't on the flyer, but we all knew what we wanted to do. Normally, I love burnouts. Don't get me wrong. I love burnouts. I love the revving, you know, oyendo el motor en putiza y todo eso. But we don't really have a spot to just go and chill right now because cops are, I wouldn't say doing their job, but they're keeping up with looking at flyers and going into people's Instagrams and everything like that, so they know where meets are at. So for the next one, at that same spot, because I know people can't control themselves about doing a burnout or anything. Everybody wants to have fun. Everybody wants to have a good time. We gotta have a good time without doing the burnouts. But I know a lot of people want to go out, do burnouts, do racing and all that. That's cool. I like to do that too. Fuck it, you know. But that is a really chill spot. It's in front of houses. So I was on the no side for the burnouts today. But for the next meet, what we can do to keep everybody happy, to keep burnouts away from that park, so we could use it for a long time and not be there for 10 minutes and then the neighbors call the cops already. For the next meet there, we will do desmadre in a different spot after. Everybody chills for an hour, 2 hours. They're at the spot and everybody cruises out to the desert or something like that where nothing can catch fire and do some donuts, you know. If you guys agree with me, hit that like. Don't get me wrong, I like burnouts. I like revving.
I love pig feet.
I like swinging. I haven't really swung it before, but I need to practice on that. Yeah, guys, it was a great meet. Shout out to all the co-hosts. Next one, we're gonna try to get a grupo, so stay tuned, guys. Another thing I want to say is thank you to everybody that came up to the booth, bought some merch. Like I said, everybody got double entries. If you're watching this video right now and it's still 24 hours that I have posted it, or before 24 hours, I mean, if you go online, order something, it will be double entries. So if you spend $10, you get 2 entries. If you spend 20, you're gonna get 4. If you spend 100, 20 entries. There you go. So test your luck. The truck's gonna be given away in November. I will start doing promotion videos and everything once the truck is painted. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Flip kit giveaway will be coming up soon. I'm just waiting for the people that are sponsoring the video to hit me back up so I can post it for you guys. See you guys later. Peace out, TCB, and be safe, everyone.
Ya ha pasado tiempo, yo ya no lo soporto. No me importa lo que digas. Voy a luchar por ti, mija. He tratado de sanar heridas con alcohol, pero no funcionan. Solo quiero tus besos.